So aside from the more general aspects of law which apply across the board, there are also specific areas within maritime law. For example, in relation to ship arrest, which was a really powerful weapon which can be used by creditors. In this, essentially, an application is made to the High Court to detain a ship. It's a form of judicial arrest. Ship owners, for better or worse, their main assets actually float from harbour to harbour. So by getting this order from the High Court to detain a ship, it's a very, very powerful weapon to use when collecting debt. So maritime law is going to be absolutely essential to the next departure that we're going to have in relation to renewables and renewable non-carbon based energies, which are going to have to be based on offshore production, on the attendance offshore of people and craft, and the maritime law will be absolutely essential to this. So therefore, maritime law and maritime law professionals are required in many different types of disputes, such as contract disputes in relation to cargo, let's say, in relation to shipbuilding. Also more general disputes regarding, shall we say, regulatory disputes where there is a question that needs to be resolved by the High Court in relation to the powers of a particular function or other. And of course, normal everyday disputes such as personal injuries, these will occur too within on board ships and within port facilities. Apart from the more generally applicable areas of law which apply to the maritime sphere as well, there are also aspects of maritime law which are very particular to maritime disputes themselves. One would be the example of the judicial arrest of a ship, which essentially, using Irish legislation, would implements international treaties. You can use this mechanism to effectively detain a ship within an Irish port in the event of a certain type of dispute.